How to remove Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to remove Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. As you can see, it now says Powered by Shopify on my store footer, which I don't want it to do. So to fix this issue, then we need to first go right here. Then when you have done that, click where it says Themes. Now when you're in here, then you will be able to see your store theme in here. So what you need to do is to click on Actions, then click on Edit Languages. When you have done that and come to this page, then you will need to search for Powered by Shopify. And as you can see in here, it says powered by Shopify. You can either write something else, or if you want to remove it completely, then just click here and then click on space button on your computer. And then when you're done that, don't forget to click where it says save. Now let's go back into the store and see how it looks. And as you can see, the powered by Shopify is now removed completely. So let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.